Welcome to the CompTIA A Plus training video series. This is part one of the series. This series is for anybody who is studying for CompTIA A Plus, whether a student or if you're just somebody that wants to understand more about computing or hardware or networking, or anybody that's starting a career in IT. So with that said, let's begin. Question 6. The purpose of MMX technology was to improve A. Gaming performance, B. Video encoding performance, C. Video editing performance, D. Multimedia performance. The answer is D. Multimedia performance. Question 7. SoC A motherboards were manufactured by which company? A. BioStar, B. AMD, C. Asus, D. MSI. The answer is B. AMD. Question 8. Socket A motherboards were replaced by which CPU socket? A. Socket 7, B. Socket AM2, C. Socket 754, D. Socket 775. The answer is C. Socket 754. Question 9. Which is the best method for cooling the processor? A. Installing a heatsink and fan directly on top of the CPU, B. Installing the cooling fan directly behind the CPU, C. Installing a minimum of 2 fans within the case, D. Installing a fan that is a minimum of 120 millimeters to ensure effective airflow. The answer is A. Installing a heatsink and fan directly on top of the CPU. For my students that are serious about passing their CompTIA A Plus exam, I've put together a full comprehensive training guide. In this guide, there is hundreds and hundreds of sample exam papers full of explanations, questions and answers to anything computer hardware related and CompTIA related. I guarantee you, if you go through this training program, you will pass the very first time. Only today, I'm offering a 50% discount. So this is a limited time offer only. You could download this training guide, this comprehensive training guide from CompTIAdumps.co.uk. CompTIAdumps.co.uk. Simply go to that website, download the material, and I guarantee you, read through it. It will explain everything from A to Z, CompTIA related, and you will pass. So, once again, thank you for watching. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.